Captain. Continue to wear face coverings and respect social distancing guidelines, which you can find explained on signs all around the resort. Also, keep your hands, feet, arms, legs, and, well, your entire body inside the boat at all times. Alcohol, smoking, and/or vaping are not allowed on the boat. If there's an emergency, life jackets are under your seat. Please resist the urge to use your family members as a flotation device. Trust me, that never works. All of Universal Orlando is right over there. And over there. And there. And there. And there. And if you want a bird's eye view of the whole place, download the official Universal Orlando Resort app. It's your go-to gadget for world-renowned meals at participating restaurants, checking into the virtual line experience at select attractions, and more. It's got everything from maps and wait times to social distancing and safety guidelines, and it'll help plan your days in all three Universal theme parks annually.
Alrighty guys, we're coming up on City Walk. Just a quick reminder to please stay seated. You hear me say all ashore. Gonna come to a complete stop and open the door, but again, please remain seated until you hear me say all ashore. Now as you make your way around City Walk and the theme parks, reminder also that it is mandatory to wear a mask still, so please continue to wear yours securely below your chin and on the bridge of your nose at all times, unless you're actively eating or drinking, in which case you need to be stationary and socially distancing when you do. Same for smoking as well, whether you smoke cigarettes or you vape. However, we have designated smoking areas just for that. Our closest one from the dock, you'll see it in just a moment here, is going to be on the left side of it at the top of the stairs. There are many like them all over. They all have signs and marks on our map. But as you walk around on property, we do need you to keep your mask above your nose. Now, Universal Studios will be closing at 7 p.m. today. Islands of Adventure will be closing at 8 p.m. and City Walk will be closing at midnight. So if you have plans to hang out later and you want to catch the boat, just come on down to the dock by 12:30 tonight as we begin our final runs out to the hotels. We also have our bus shuttles and the walking path along the waterway here if you prefer. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask after I have finished docking. I'm Captain Sampson, and thank you for choosing Universal Orlando.